Alright, we're asked to solve this literal equation for z. The idea is we want to get down to the bottom to where we have z equals and then a bunch of other mathematical jazz on the other side. Let's talk about how to do that. We attack this by unpacking the operations that are happening to z. We go opposite the order that things are happening with any kind of equation. First and foremost, this 2/5 on the outside is the last operation that occurs, and it's the one we should take care of first. What we're going to do is divide 2/5 from both sides of this equation. So we're going to divide this side of the equation by 2/5 and divide this side of the equation by 2/5. Important to note is knowing that what dividing by 2/5, how do we do that? And just a quick thing on the side here, if we were taking like 1/4 and dividing it by 2/5, what we actually do when we divide by 2/5 is to multiply by the reciprocal 5/2. So just to make things a little bit cleaner, what I'm going to do is realize this division by 2/5 as multiplying by 5/2. So on this left-hand side, when I divide k by 2/5, what I actually get is 5/2 times k. On the right-hand side of this equation, the 2/5, that division cancels it out. So what I'm left with is wz plus p. And now what we're going to do is, so the w is being multiplied by our z, and we have the p being added. First thing we're going to do over here now is, or the second thing actually, is subtract p from both sides. What that would give us is 5/2 k minus p equals w times z. And the last step would be to divide both sides by w, we have 5/2 k minus p all over w equals z. And just to make this a little bit nicer to look at, we'll put the z on the left-hand side by flipping this equation to get that z equals 5/2 k minus p all over w.